Hi, it's Jen and Tammy today with a super fun DIY quick project for Christmas, Candy Cane Wreath.
So much fun.
We actually introduced this last year.
Mm-hmm.
It was last year.
We did.
Time warp. I'm telling you, could have been 2 years ago. Customers love this. It sold out so fast.
So cute.
And so when we saw the Christmas Night collection by Monique Jacobs from Maywood Studio, I'm like, it's time. It's time to bring it back. You know what? You watch
so
us.
cute.
We listen to your comments. We really read every single thing. So thank you so much for leaving comments. Subscribe, hit the bell, do all those things. That way you never miss stuff from Tammy and I, or maybe Tammy and I. So we always like to take things to the next level.
We do.
Michelle, who is our amazing social media marketing just goddess, I'll call her that. I'm sure I'll hear about this later.
We will hear about this.
She's amazing. She reads all the comments. We gave this project to her, and she actually put a new spin on it.
I love this.
Yeah, look how this candy cane, really, I'd call it a wreath, has this almost ruffled look that's a little different than last year.
It is.
And Tammy's going to show us today how to do it. And of course, you know, Tammy, she takes it to the next level. She uses notions to make it easy for even beginners.
That's right. You know, I'm looking to stay organized, make it simple, hold those strips together. And I said, Wonder Clips, you are my friend today.
And I would not have thought of that. It's like an extra pair of hands.
They really are.
I don't know why I didn't think about that. So show us how easy this is, how fast.
So she's going to fold one too, and she's never done this before.
No, that is a fact.
Okay, that is a fact. So we're going to take 2 strips.
Okay.
And that's on your free download. You're going to want to click on the free download and get this so that you know how to cut your strips.
Okay.
All right. We do have kits available, by the way.
Oh, my gosh.
We have kits available on this. So this is fat quarters that we're using.
Yep.
So there are kits available. So let's take our strips and we're going to put them wrong sides together. And I think I handed you yours wrong sides together. Oh, see?
Okay, thank you.
Tried to help you out there.
And do we always want to have the same fabric? I guess it could be different.
I guess it could be different.
Okay.
I didn't do it like that, but it could be different.
Okay.
All right, let's get some Wonder Clips ready because I already know it's coming. We're going to need the Wonder Clips.
How many ways? Now we can add another item
Use
to
a
our list
Wonder
of
Clip.
using binding.
I know.
Yeah,
we need
binding.
it, right?
I hold notes together.
Okay.
Yeah, I
know.
do.
All right, so we're going to fold up.
Okay.
All right. We're accordion folding this. So it comes back and then it comes up again. All right, and you know you've done it right if you can turn it like this and you see ribbon candy. Remember the candy at Christmas?
My grandma always had it.
Yes. My dad loved that candy, right? So if you have ribbon candy on the end, you've done it right.
Oh.
I'm going to put it on the table. I'm going to fold it in half. Look at you. You've got yours in half already.
I like that table idea because I'm like up in the air going, where am I?
On the table, it's hard to control if you pick it up in the air.
I see why the Wonder Clip is needed.
Yeah. Now see.
Oh, probably a lot of Wonder Clips.
It really is a real thing. All right, so I'm going to start folding a couple of these.
Oh, this is
do it
fun.
again. I
you
love
know
this
what?
plaid.
Projects we can do with our families.
Oh, with our kids. Oh, yeah.
You
I
know,
love no-sew projects.
Yes. And okay, I better stop talking here. You went here and then fold back.
Yes.
And then do it one more time.
Flip it again. There you go. Yes.
And to get
Fold it in half. Yeah. And put a clip on it.
So as I was saying, you know, when we're using rotary cutters and irons, we can't let the little ones help.
No.
But with this, if they've got the dexterity.
Absolutely. Anybody can fold fabric like this. And it just takes a little practice to teach them how to do it. They would love this.
Okay.
All right. So we've got a few of these together. So we would go through and we would do all of them, all of our strips. We have a whole stack of them. We're going to do them all.
Oh, my gosh. Right. Okay.
All right.
I better get busy.
We better get busy. Here
all
we
right.
go.
Here we go.
All right. We'll be right back. Okay. We're back. We've been busy, haven't we?
We use nearly every Wonder Clip in here.
Absolutely. Oh, yeah. You use them all, the whole box. Pick up a box. If you do not have Wonder Clips in your life yet, you're missing out. You need Wonder Clips in your life. I love Wonder Clips.
Don't be what I did for years, and I bind my quilt, poke myself. A few choice words came out.
I would imagine.
Oops. Wonder Clips are so awesome for clipping your binding. You're not poking yourself.
No, look how fun all this is.
Okay, what do we do now? This is awesome.
We get to do the fun part. We get to attach them to the candy cane wreath. So this is a 12-inch wire wreath. This comes in your kit, by the way. How amazing is that, right?
It's hard to find stuff like this.
It's very hard to find stuff like this. Okay, so we're going to unclip it. Now I'm going to set this in, which has the fold, that, and I'm going to start in the middle. All right? That's going to go through. We're going to reach our fingers through the center of this, like this. Grab a hold of those two ends and pull. And I actually grab the two apart and pull like this to tighten it on there.
That's
like
it?
that. That's it.
There's no extra knot?
No.
What? No way.
This is really easy. Kids can do this, really.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Anybody can do this. This is so fun.
Yeah.
Get through, grab it, and pull.
And then I know our download has dots to show people kind of the pathway.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's that. I'll give that to you. You make sure we're doing this right.
Yeah. Okay, you need to do another one.
Okay. And you just randomly, I'm just grabbing strips at random. You could make a pattern if you wanted to. Yeah. You could do whatever you want. This is so much fun. It's just a great holiday project. I can just imagine having these in the middle of a table and everybody doing these. Drinking hot chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
All those traditions.
Yeah.
I see why you started in the middle.
Yes.
It's probably easier to do the two middles and then go to the outside.
That's correct. That's correct. So then we turn this over. We can see we have 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Yep, which is what we need. And that's what fits on here.
And then you do the other middle and then do your outers.
And then do the outer side. And then in this section, we do the white.
Oh my gosh.
Just keep going.
I know we had a portion that's the red. Let's just show them what that footprint looks like.
Okay, so let's look at this on the footprint on the back. There we go.
I
3,
see. Yep.
3, 3, and 3, just like that. Yes?
That looks just like that. And
perfect.
Like we just kind of keep going.
Keep building all the way up. Yep.
And I see on this fuller, because they're bigger sections.
That's correct, yeah, along the curve. Yep. So you have 6 on the outside, coming down to just 3 in the center here.
Oh, that's our numbers.
Yes, that's our numbers.
Light bell just went on for me. Hello.
I tried to make this really easy.
This blonde isn't all bought. Free entertainment from Shabby Fabrics.
We got this.
So 12 fabrics, 12, and now on those curves, 17.
17, yes.
I guess we better get busy.
We better get busy. We've got a lot of these to attach. We'll see you soon. All right, we're back, and we have our whole wreath done. Our wonder clips are put away. We are going to fluff it out just to your heart's content. And you know, if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can just give it a little rub, fluff it out. I love the ruffly part on it. So cute.
Ruffles.
It just fills it in.
Get
I
me.
love it.
Every time.
Every time. I just love this technique. I love this whole thing. It is so cute.
Oh my gosh. Be sure to pick up your kits and stay with us here. We were so inspired by this collection. We have more projects coming your way, some with tutorials to show you some new projects we've never done before.
That's right.
And I love that coordinated look.
I do too.
Because if you have this in your home, you're going to want to be doing other things.
That's right.
Of course, if you've got an idea, maybe a pattern at home, pick up the yardage.
Oh, yeah.
But we have some other things in mind coming your way. Pick up your kits, your wonder clips.
Yeah, definitely.
Those
your
were
wonder clips.
MVP today.
They were, definitely.
And we'll see you soon on another Shabby video.